Today's topic is type conversion in the dictionary values. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. First is the basic approach, and the second is using the items method and the list comprehension. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. So here what we are going to do is we are going to use the nested for loops over here. First we are going to initialize our list of the dictionaries, and after that in the for loop we are going to change the data type of our values to the float, and then we are saving it again in our list, and then we are printing it out. So what does the first for loop statement does is it's going to go through the element of our dictionary, that is it's going to go through the key and the values, each of them in our list, and after that in the second for loop we are just taking the values out of those extracted particular element of our dictionary, and then we are changing the data type to the float, and then we are printing it out. As you can see it over here, these are converted into a float rather than in the string. If you want to convert in the integer, then we are just going to change the float to integer, and then as you can see it over here, they are 10, 20, 30 and 40 rather than 10.0, 20.0, 30.0 and so on.